Hi everyone, this is Anup Ovaya. Welcome back to our channel Slice of Life. So I got an immense response from all of you for our last vlogs. So we celebrated 50k subscribers for my sister, and we also shared a video for making idlis. So today I'll be sharing a video how to make a quick video for making veg biryani. And again, thanks a lot for the immense support, and people who have not seen our previous videos, I'll be giving the link down, so you can just go there and check the link, and do like, share and subscribe. So without wasting much time, let's go to the kitchen now. My sister will be showing you all the ingredients required for making the biryani. Let's go.
The ingredients for making this biryani are here. So we have chopped some vegetables, some beans and carrots. These are some finely chopped onions. We'll also add some potatoes, and we'll be adding some cauliflower, and these are the basic masalas which add flavor to your biryani, which are the bay leaves, cinnamon, long and elaichi.
For the biryani, it's best to use the Dawat biryani rice. So I have been using this rice since last 2 years, and it's really very good. So people who are interested, you can go and try with the Dawat biryani rice. And before starting with the biryani, you have to wash the rice and keep it for half an hour to 45 minutes. Then you need to drain the water, and you can proceed with the cooking. For making the biryani, we have to take 3 to 4 tablespoons of refined sunflower oil. Let the vessel get heated for nearly 2 to 3 minutes. Then only we'll start with the cooking. It's very important to heat the oil first. I'm adding the garam masalas, the cinnamon, the elaichi and the cardamom. And the bay leaf. So after adding the garam masalas, I'll put the chopped onions. The oil is nice and hot, so you can hear the sound. Just saute the onion for some time, maybe 2 to 3 minutes, so until it turns into a golden brown color. I can see the color of the onions change into slightly golden brownish color. So now I'll proceed and put the vegetables one by one, and then keep on sauteing it for some time. First the cauliflowers I'm putting. Followed by the beans and carrot. I'll put the potatoes at the last. I'm adding salt to taste. I'll be putting the potatoes now, so you can put them and mix it properly. I've put almost all the vegetables now, so what I'll do, I'll just cover it with the lid and let it cook for some time. You can cook it for 4 to 5 minutes in medium flame. Ginger garlic paste now. So you can add 1 tablespoon. Yeah, that'll be enough. Just mix it properly. So I'll allow it to cook for some time, maybe 2 to 3 minutes, and I'll put the masalas after that. Now let's add the masalas. So I'll start with turmeric. You can add 1.5 tablespoon of turmeric. Coriander powder, again the same quantity. Jeera powder, and the Kashmiri red chili powder, the tikha lal. So I'll be mixing the masalas now. So let's fry it for some time. After mixing this, I'll be adding the garam masala and the biryani masala. I'm using the MTR veg biryani masala. So any biryani masala will do. So I prefer the MTR one. And at last I'm putting some garam masalas. This is the cup in what I took the rice. So I took 2.5 cups of rice. So accordingly you have to take the water. So for 2.5 cups of rice I am taking 4 or 4.25 maximum amount of water. So the main thing is that you have to use the same cup for measuring the water and the rice. So we are adding the water. And mix it nicely.
So now we are adding the rice into the mixture.
After adding the water, now I have closed the cooker. So after the first whistle, we need to cook it for another 3.5 to 4 minutes. So after that, we have to switch off the gas. Hot and spicy veg biryani is ready to be served.
So this tasty, delicious, homemade vegetarian biryani is ready.